productive. It's good to get out there and make as many contacts as we can on time. The next thing I have to say is my grandfather, I was able to convince him to get his license, so he is actually going to be testing for his general class tomorrow. So I wish him the best of luck on his test tomorrow, and I'll be able to talk to him on so that'll be fun. That's pretty much all that's set up for me this week. Just been working out and taking care of my health, so that's been eating up a lot of my time. All right, W8KJR, this is KF0DST. Back to you, buddy.
QSL on most of that, Adam, thanks so much. Also, our best wishes to, I believe you said your grandfather. There's a lot of fading there, who's got tests coming up for their amateur radio license. That is awesome. I'm sure they'll do fine, and it'll be great to have them join us here on HF. I'm at the bottom of my list here. Kind of rough conditions again this week. Little bit better, not by much. So I will take another listen for anyone else who would like to join us here on the Ham Radio Crash Course HF. Please give us your call sign phonetically.
Kilo Golf 5, Charlie Yankee Alpha, Rick.
Kilo Golf 5, Charlie Yankee Alpha. Good evening. Staying for comments tonight or in and out?
I will stick around and see how the band does. It's a rough copy, but right now I've got you pretty well. Probably a 5-5.
Okay, Rick, I've got you on the list. You're kind of bouncing between a 5-5 and a 5-7 for me. So not too bad considering everything. We'll be back to you shortly. Anybody else checking into the Ham Radio Crash Course net, please call now.
Kilo Romeo 4, Kilo India Echo.
Kilo Romeo 4, missed part of your suffix. Could I get that again?
Kilo Romeo 4, Hotel India Echo.
Kilo Romeo 4, Hotel India Echo. Welcome to the Ham Radio Crash Course. Would you like to stay for comments or prefer to be in and out?
I'll just get it out.
Okay, QSL the in and out. Appreciate you dropping in. And 73 to you. Anybody else? Ham Radio Crash Course HF net. Check in. Please call now. I heard at least one more. Again.
No, 15 goes.
Okay, I've got a relay giving me some help here on that one. Was it Kilo Oscar 6 Echo Quebec Juliet stroke mobile? Is that correct? All right, KO6 EQJ. We'll be back. Do you have any comments for us tonight? Would you like to be on the list for that or prefer to be in and out? Okay, Roger, thanks for stopping in. Okay, anybody else? Ham Radio Crash Course HF net, please call now.
4 Oscar United Echo.
I heard a Papa and a 4. Again?
Papa 4 Oscar.
Whiskey Papa 4 Oscar question mark. Can I get your suffix a couple times, please?
Whiskey Papa 4 Oscar United Echo. Papa 4 Oscar United Echo.
Hey, thanks so much. I got it that time. Whiskey Papa 4 Oscar United Echo. Good evening and thanks for joining us tonight. Will you have comments for us or prefer to be in and out this evening?
Just a quick check-in. What's your call sign?
My call sign is Whiskey 8 Kilo Juliet Romeo, located in Ohio. QSL?
Got it. 5-9 over here. Thank you for
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us. Have a wonderful weekend. Anybody else checking into the radio crash course set, please call now.
Quick question.
Station that said question, go ahead.
Is this like the YouTube channel thing from the transport thing?
Hey, that is correct. We are a bunch of folks from the YouTube community, their Discord, Facebook group, etc. I'm not Josh, but a bunch of folks that watch the YouTube channel and like to get on HS and tell others what we've been doing in the hobby. Go ahead.
Hey, close enough. That sounds cool to me. Thank you so much, man. That's really cool. Thank you.
Hey, you're very welcome. Glad you stopped by, and we are on every Friday night, beginning at 9:30 Eastern, which is, I believe, 1:30 UTC. Thanks for joining. Anybody else? Hammer your check-in, please call now. Check-in.
Hotel, Papa, in and out.
Station that said check-in. Your call, please.
Sorry, having a little bit of malfunction here. This is Kilo 5, Juliet Whiskey Charlie, QSL?
Kilo 5, Juliet Whiskey Charlie. Yeah, nice signal tonight. You're like 5758. Would you like to stay for comments or be in and out?
Okay, excellent. I just, I don't know, reasons I want to explain right now, just making sure I'm getting out there. No, excellent. Thank you for doing this session here.
Yeah, you're very welcome. Thanks for stopping in. Anyone else? Early check-ins, ham, radio, crash, course net, call now.
Kilo, Foxtrot 0, Foxtrot Hotel, Papa.
Kilo Foxtrot 0, Fox Hotel Papa, good evening. Any comments tonight or in and out?
I'll be just in and out. 0, MH.
Okay, I will take check-ins again in, I don't know, like 2 minutes. But let's go ahead and get Rick in here. Kilo Golf 5, Charlie Yankee Alpha. Let us know what you've been up to in amateur radio. Go ahead.
Good evening. I have been helping a friend of mine at work that recently got his license, and I'm getting him hooked up on VHF, UHF, and hoping to start moving him into HF next week.
Thanks for dropping in with us tonight. 73 to you. Anybody else late check-ins before we close things down for the night for the ham radio crash course net? Please call now.
November, Mike 2 Alpha Tango. November, Mike 2, Alpha Tango.
All right, I didn't hear anybody else on that go-around. Well, somebody might have, so I'll take one more call, I guess. Late check-ins, ham radio crash course net. Last chance. Please call now.
November 0, Sugar Mike Charlie.
Okay, I'm not picking up anything else out of that. If you didn't get in tonight, please be sure and stop in here next week. We hope to catch you then. Maybe we'll have some better conditions even. This has been another installment of the Ham Radio Crash Course Net. You can learn more about us by visiting hamradiocrashcourse.com. 73, everybody. Have a great weekend. Go play some radio, and we'll look forward to catching you next week. WAKJR is going to be cleared. QRT.
Yeah, thanks for running the net, Evan, and November Mike 2 Alpha Tango and November 0 Sierra Mike Charlie. I heard both of you here in Texas. But anyway, 73 Evan, and thanks again.